This lady walking right here just got out of that Ford Explorer over here on the right. She hit the lock button, but she inadvertently hit the button that opens up the back hatch. So it was just sitting there wide open, and there were some bags in there. Somebody could have reached in and grabbed them. So I had a decision to make. Got out of their vehicle, and as they walked into the store, they locked it, but they accidentally apparently hit the button that opened up the back hatch. Now, what would you do? Would you actually get out there and shut the hatch for them, or no? They're a fan of Bon Jovi. I don't know. I feel like I would close it. Is there a button? There, I hit the button. I am closing their vehicle for them. I don't know if it's locked or not, but at least it's going to be closed. People aren't reaching in the back and taking stuff out.